Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about it. Today we'll be looking at a pre-launch product. It's called 4-Day Cash Explosion. I just love the graphics. Our creator for this is Paulo Cifuentes. I hope I'm not massacring his name. Okay, let's just get right into it. Here we have the sales page. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. What the product really is. It's about a complete free traffic method for anyone who wants to make a side income by working just a few hours a day. And he says he's going to show you step by step. He also says that in 30 minutes a day, you can quickly and easily profit by using this method that he's about to sell you in his report. His claims are: you don't need experience, you don't need heaps of time, you don't need paid traffic, you don't need a list, you don't need to be technical. Okay, these are some things that, yes, we probably do need, but okay, let's see what he has. Here he's also showing you his income. Of course, we need to check the dates. The dates are current, and sure, I could use an extra $4.29. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe I am on the public airways with my hair not looking perfect. Okay, we got that out of the way. Let's move on. Now, he also goes on to say that, well, of course, no product will be complete without a testimonial. And here we have a testimonial by Yaz Stone. He says, oh my goodness, tongue-tied, hair day, what else can we ask for in this review? The method is so simple and genius. 2 proven methods that you can get started with right away. Paulo takes you by the hand with this. You've got no more excuses. Finally say goodbye to empty PayPal accounts. This is sounding like something anybody can use. Money in the PayPal account. He also says that you don't need any affiliate marketing experience. So how does it work? In his report, he's going to give you 2 secret free traffic methods that you can post in Facebook and make money. So obviously, his system uses a free traffic source, and he's using Facebook as a medium to get to where he wants to be. A little bit about him. He's been doing internet marketing for more than 10 years, and he's making a nice living from it. Okay, so just to reiterate the key points: how to get 100% free traffic quickly and easily, how to find buyer traffic for free, how to use Facebook to make money, actually best-selling text post in Facebook. Now that should be interesting. Where to find winning partners to make money. Exactly how he made $4.29 in 4 days. How to promote an offer in Facebook without looking spammy. That should be that is good information. And the method to start making money online as quickly as possible. That should be definitely good information. So basically, the 4-Day Cash Explosion. It launches on the 27th of November at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The information is down below in the description box, and there's also, I did a full review on this product. So, go right ahead, take a look, and see if it's something for you. And also, I'm offering 3 bonuses that I know is going to help you jumpstart your online business. One, it's a case study about Facebook secrets revealed. Number 2, it's about headlines, how it can cost you money. And last but not least, crazy traffic explosion. I think it's a great package. I know for a fact that my bonuses are just worth gold. And they're also evergreen. So, you know, if you choose to have my bonuses, just use the link below. And best of luck. Thank you so much for watching.